Hi guys, Joe here from Lawn Solutions Australia. Drought conditions are impacting a lot of areas at the moment, and being environmentally responsible with your water use is more important than ever. Fortunately, it is only in the most severe circumstances over a considerable period of time where a lawn would completely die off due to a lack of water. Warm season turfgrass species commonly used in Australia need very little water to survive and are very hardy. In summer, when temperatures are really high, grasses will enter a state of dormancy where they shut down tissue growth to prevent moisture loss. They will lose colour, become brown and dry with little to no leaf growth, but they will generally sit dormant until the next rain or irrigation event. You can usually tell the difference between a dormant and a dead lawn by looking at the crown at the base of the leaves. If the crown is white to off-white, chances are the plant is still alive. A dead lawn will be dry, brown and brittle right across the plant, from the crown to the roots to the leaves. Remove thatch. Removing dead material from the lawn profile during spring will help the living plant to absorb all the available moisture during the warmer months. Aeration. Improving the ability for water to penetrate to the roots will be important to take best advantage of water when it is available, but also to improve moisture in the soil where it is needed during the next dry spell. Stay off the lawn. Your grass is already having a hard time, and the drier it is, the more likely it is to be damaged and unable to recover from foot traffic or additional wear. Water effectively. When you can water, do so for longer and less frequently. This will encourage deeper roots which can delve deeper into the soil to find moisture. By doing this, it will allow your lawn to stay hydrated for longer, even through extended periods without rain. Apply a wetting agent. Hydrophobic soil is caused by the decomposition of organic matter, which leaves a wax-like substance forming a coating on soil particles. After long periods of dry weather, soils can become dehydrated, and this is when the hydrophobic surface is exposed, which stops water from penetrating. A wetting agent like wetter soil will help break down this surface tension and help water to soak in. The key to mowing your lawn during summer is to do so at the cooler times of the day and to mow regularly. You want to keep on top of leaf growth so you're not removing too much at any time. By removing 1/3 of the leaf or more during any one mow will cause unnecessary stress to the grass roots. As you can see here, if the roots cannot maintain this level of moisture to the leaves will close their stomata and lose colour. Stomata are cells that form the pores of the leaf surface. When the stomata are closed, there will be limited growth due to its inability to take in carbon dioxide. The simple answer is when your lawn needs it. When you do water, make sure you always comply with the rules and regulations set out by your local water authority. If your lawn has lost some colour and vigour from the heat, a good option is Colour Guard Plus. It's a natural pigment with an added fertiliser to help keep your lawn green and save on water during the drought conditions. Check out the Lawn Solutions Australia website for more helpful lawn care tips and advice, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for tuning in to Lawn Solutions Australia. We hope to catch you next time.